Mastering the art of making plans in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase that you've probably heard a lot, making plans. We'll explore what it means, how to use it in conversation, and some tips to remember. So, let's get started. Making plans refers to the process of arranging to do something in the future. It involves deciding on a time, place, and activity, and often requires communication with others to ensure everyone is in agreement. It's a phrase that's integral to social interactions, work environments, and personal goal setting. When making plans, it's important to be clear and specific. You can start by suggesting an activity, then move on to discuss the details. Here's a simple structure you can follow. 1. Propose an activity. Would you like to go hiking this weekend? 2. Suggest a time and place. How about Saturday morning at the local park? 3. Confirm the plan. Great. Let's meet at the park entrance at 9 a.m. Remember to be flexible and open to negotiating the details to accommodate everyone involved. There are several phrases you can use when making plans. Here are some examples. Are you free to? Or, do you have time to? Let's set a date for, how does next Friday sound? Shall we say? Or, how about we? These phrases are polite and show that you're considerate of the other person's time and preferences. Once plans are made, it's polite to confirm them closer to the date. You can say, are we still on for tomorrow at 8 p.m.? If you need to change the plans, communicate as early as possible to show respect for the other person's time. And there you have it. Making plans is a simple yet vital part of communicating effectively in English. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in arranging your next outing or meeting. Happy planning, and see you in our next video.